Yeah, nation people. Right now, when I say the world was have the big bad mixtape for drop September. A night to remember, nation people. I mean, I know if you don't see what I go on. Right now, the world was, since him incarceration, him love life begins to turn such a public explosion more than even the people them were there outside, out the road. And I prison him there, and I just remember that when I talk about it now. Yo, let me change the shift. Yeah, people. Just remember, you know, say, the world boss, they're inside a prison. And right now, to the way, them man there, love life and love story becomes right now, it even demanding more than even some boy where here say them there road and I talk about gallus business. But everybody don't know we already. And everybody they don't know say. And we say we are top gallus. When money not for spend, we are naturalists. And if gal careless, them get captured quick. A real top gallus. Now give me thing no there in the game about that. No lollipop thing no there about it. Remember say we not get girl for our paper here. Just remember food and taxi fare I pay for. Now give me thing no there about it. At the world it's not a plan. You know just watch what go on, you know? Carefully about it, you know. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know it go already when we come to represent. A full effective man. You don't know it go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. At the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Your nation people. You can't get no better than this. That's what I say. The mixtape coming fast and quick and fast. True religion. No gimmicks not there about it. You don't know how the world boss represent already. A Gaza where there ain't no other way. So yes, nation people, make sure you don't saddle up on yourself properly for that one there. So no stream the color fight, no gimmicks business not there about it. You see it? Yes. And that we are promote. That's what I say. We see someone there outside claim, say, them want watch shorty. So, it costs one bag of mischief on the net nation people. Because, we don't know we're not too into them type of argument. About a long time the woman I make them know. So, the world was take care of family. And him now watch her, so she don't know, oh, some boy I run up on the internet with them shit, and the boy them not hear and them not stop. It come like the vendetta youth, them love the watchy pumps business, me don't know. So it seems to me, knock farmer gimmicks in the game. And one thing about the ladies where run on the stage and claim say, me don't know what she think, she want to do or whatever. But the ladies are on Dexta daps. I take off them drawers and I attack the man with them drawers. Yo, ladies, behave on yourself, you know. That's what I say. And we don't know if we have to go in front of the courthouse go stand up and demonstrate for all of them shit there because here we are going. No man can't pull off him pants in front no blood clot ladies in and bum him take off no boxers in my brother. A federal bumper ass clot charge out for money no my brother. Yo ladies you know behave on yourself you know, you see what I say? Because you can't have it both ways you know. Man can't do them things there you know. You hear that?
Every time I do my shirt, I want to give my pants now. When you see me never see a nigga man in my pants, I go kill your man. If you ever make another man wear my pants, this year. Hey, and one more time, you see him now, fuck your God. She want to have that she said she want to be free. She said she want to be where she want. She want to be free. She said she want to look in.
Oh na na na, oh na na na, I